Last break of the night is an 8-box break number 8 of 2020 Topps Stadium Club Chrome. It was by teams. Here are your teams. And let's get some color. Why these are all slid around in there. We'll finish vacuuming, sure. I forgot what the deal is with these. There's the wave one, then there's the color, and then there's these refractors. Miguel Cabrera refractor for Detroit. Refractor Garcia for Cincinnati. Stu. Dodgers, Gavin Lux, Beam Team.
That's why UCCF's glad he's only been here 3 years. And some of us 8-year people.
Josh Bell refractor for Pittsburgh.
I think Sam has 4 of my houses now, maybe 5.
So he just owns us now.
Pretty much.
Cano refractor for the Mets. Muggy. Suarez refractor for Cincinnati. Butt shot. Stu.
I'm waiting for you to open that. As soon as you put that lot of Molina autos up for 38 cents, I'm hitting buy it now.
Right, ACA? Oh, it's an autograph. Toro. You really can't tell it's autographed, but it is. Houston Tim. Toro autograph. Beam Team Verlander.
Believe it or not, there is ink on that card.
Kerry Wood. Oh, that's the card. Refractor for the Cubbies. Holtzen refractor for the Cubbies. He will judge your soul. Gonsolin refractor for the Dodgers. Mets Beam Team Alonso. Oh, that would be scary.
Just put it right across from the toilet, UCCF, so you can make eye contact and go.
Oh my god, no.
Could you imagine?
No! That's a cool one. Contreras card. Bryce Harper Beam Team.
You gotta have the Aaron Judge fist bump in there as well.
Oh yeah, that one's awesome.
Wasn't that already the case, UCCF?
I was kind of waiting for that. I didn't know if we were done for the night. Oh, look at this! An Acuna 1 of 10. 1 of 10 Acuna. That is awesome. Can't get it to where I can see that numbering. Like that? Doesn't look as cool though, does it? Wow. Is it raining?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that is a
downpour. 1 of 10 Acuna. That card is so cool.
Jeez.
Yeah. There's a Arenola Refractor. It is a very cool card. It looks great. Plus, obviously, it's a 1 of 10 Acuna.
Beauty.
That is a beautiful card. Brian. Clace. Refractor.
Boop.
Boop. Beam Team Scherzer. Yeah, other Brian. Walker Buehler. Beam Team.
Yeah, Brian and I are starting a petition where everybody gets to eliminate one other CSP member with the same name that they have.
Granky, Empress of the Zone. So, in other words, I'm never going to be able to boot anyone ever. Hope he shows up in chat. He could be. Oh, there's Fist Bump Judge. He might be in chat. He's just not chatting. Rodriguez Refractor for Boston. HD Ninja.
As you should.
Nice.
As you should.
Grandal Refractor for the White Sox.
So you need to fake out UCCF. Put the Judge card out.
Wilson.
So as his fist approaches for the fist bump, you quickly switch it out with Molina.
Oh, yeah. Barrios and UCCF's never coming back. Minnesota Refractor.
Emo sauce. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, that's exciting. UCCF. Giolito, Empress of the Zone. I thought it was like a gold card or something. Just dirt. March 10th. Oh, it's going to be here before you know it.
That's not too bad.
Beam Team Bellinger. Scherzer Refractor for Washington. That's Brian S.
Excessive, but, I mean, be honest, you've considered it for a few seconds at least, didn't you?
Beam Team Gold, Ken Griffey Jr. I also absolutely love that card.
That is awesome.
Beam Team Gold to 50.
Just the beam teams in general.
Yeah. This one's really neat, though.
Very well done.
Lucky Hippie. So loud. Acuna Beam Team. Mm-hmm. Those are nice cards. Lindor Power Zone. Good.
So, Hippie, you were due to have a pretty good night.
Rice Refractor from Minnesota. Jarrett.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's impressive. I forgot about this card. And the stadium in his glasses. It looks so cool.
So I usually remember 9 seconds after.
The Chessie Refractor for San Diego. Chatty P. Diaz, 20 of 50 gold. Let me bring this down a little bit more. Diaz gold for Miami. Sean.
I just started the DIY approach, ACA.
You've gotten pretty good at it.
Yeah, a couple little,
Devers, Beam Team.
little hair boops here or there, but
Yep.
for the most part, it's okay.
Trout, Power Zone.
Let's call it what it really is, the suck cut.
Beam Team Judge. There's that McGuire card.
Never found what I was looking for.
Carzon Guerrero. Don Nunez. Autograph for Colorado. Tim. Nunez autograph for Colorado. Kershaw, Beam Team. Oh my god. It's so good. I love that card so much. Oh, that's cool, ACA.
It did not work.
Calhoun refractor for Texas. Timmy.
Jeez, you already got 2 ACA? I'm hoping maybe by May I'll get one.
Javier Baez refractor for the Cubs. And Clint Kershaw as a can't remember what it's called. Country.
Okay, 9:25 p.m. That is when Jules has lost it.
Yeah, I just couldn't. The words just were not there.
All right, so I should not post that Ginter case.
Oh, you were not going to do that.
Not tonight.
Emperors of the Zone.
But anybody who is into the Ginter stuff, be prepared next week. Just saying.
Bednar refractor for San Diego. Chatty P. Zach Gallen wave refractor. Arizona Tony Mac. T-Mac.
He was here for a while.
Arizona wave.
Oh. Well, in that case, maybe we'll not post it and do something else. Find some other option.
Gurriel refractor for Houston.
We are overdue. I agree with that. Called the
T-Mac is still here.
He is there. Cool. UCCF called the distributor and said, okay, wherever those last 2 cases came from, walk to the other end of the warehouse and take one from that side.
Far away from that as possible.
I mean, I knew they're not all going to be great. We're going to get a couple clunkers, but ugh, those last 2 were bad.
Yeah. I didn't even have a card that I could put as the thumbnail on that last one. I used a rip card. Tim Lopez? Or Lopes? Lopez. I don't know. Seattle. Anki Hippie. I have no idea.
I don't know that one. Is it Lopez or Lopes?
Refractor. San Diego. Manny Machado.
Oh.
Lopes.
Thank you, ACA. Lopes. Or Lopez.
Refractor Woodruff for Milwaukee. Tony Mac. I didn't miss any numbered cards, did I?
No, we're just kind of going slow on the numbered stuff for some reason.
Pete Alonso Beam Team. Dopes. I'll remember that now. Thank you. Ginkle. Refractor for Arizona. Tony Mac.
And we've got 2 golds so far.
Refractor Jock Peterson for the Dodgers. Feels like we should have had more.
Yeah.
It's like a ton of refractors. Pete Alonso refractor for the Mets, Mongi.
I feel like we should have one more color parallel.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
And we had the Zach Gallen wave.
Clint Frazier for the Yankees refractor. Cranky Yankee.
I still feel like we're 1 short.
Yeah.
Tops. Come on now.
Dingbat. Emperors of the Zone, Noah Syndergaard.
My dad said Nimrod.
Yeah.
That was one he used often.
Beam Team, Otani.
Usually towards me.
Did not. Tanaka. Oh, Jamie Jams. Tanaka for the Mets refractor and Jamie Jams. Love this card.
Yeah, mine never went that far, but he got close.
Refractor Colton Wong. I didn't need anyone to spell it out for me. I knew that was the case sometimes. ECA. Everybody just rub it in. Beam Team, Chris Bryant. Power Zone, Pete Alonso. All right, halfway. Oh, man. A lot of these Mark McGuire cards. Beam Team, Walker Bueller. Hey, Pills, how are ya?
What's up, Pills?
Emperor's of Zone, Flaherty.
How is your neck going?
Refractor, Burke for Texas. Come on. Echelon, refractor for Baltimore. HG Ninja. It's the last break of the night time, so it's starting to get quiet. Giancarlo Stanton, refractor for the Yankees. Cranky Yankee.
Closed out 2018.
Did you ever find any UCCF besides the ones that someone put in chat earlier? Charles Strawberry, Power Zone Gold.
There's some color.
Another Power Zone.
All golds today.
27 of 50 for the Mets. Mongi. I like that one. Man, I really do need some light up shoes, like, for reals.
Did you get any online Pills, or did you just do physical?
Charles Strawberry, regular Power Zone. Bobichette, Beam Team. Oh no, did you find some? Oh, 4 of 5, Ryan O'Hearn. Red. Sneaky Royals hit. Ryan O'Hearn, 4 of 5. Red. Oh no.
Yeah, Pills, I haven't decided if I'm going to try to do tier 4 or not.
Refractor Altuve for Houston.
That was getting kind of crazy.
Message me that on Facebook Messenger. UCF, if you would, please. Hey, there's an orange Daza autograph.
Yeah, it is. Daza Orange.
Daza Orange. Colorado orange autograph Daza, numbered 4 of 25.
Here, I'll save that link for you.
Thank you.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my birthday's coming up.
It is.
My birthday's coming up. Put it on the
Alright.
list. Beam Team for the Dodgers, Cody Bellinger. I'll just put that on my birthday list. Everybody's buying me a different pair of shoes. Will Smith refractor for the Dodgers.
Does that include me?
Well, that's you, my mom, my sister, anybody that I can talk into buying me a gift. Yastrzemski refractor for Boston. HG Ninja. Well, that's good.
So they have extreme sizes.
Oh,
Okay.
Lord. Dale Murphy refractor for Atlanta. Brian.
Most obvious.
The most obvious day. Let's guess. ACA.
If you were to look on the calendar and pick one day out of the entire year for Jules to have a birthday, what day would you pick?
Yeah.
Just.
It shouldn't take too much effort, especially since I gave you the hint already. Just guess.
Yeah, just throw something out there. Think of all the possible days that could be coming up anytime soon. We got a couple winners already.
Yeah. Two of you are right. Ravello Refractor for the Cardinals. Cool breeze. There you go, Brian. I like the sound of that.
Yeah, April Jules Day. There you go. April 1st, and it's always a disaster because it's usually opening day of Cardinal season.
Yep. Always.
So
Almost
I have to decide, is my allegiance to the Cardinals or Jules more important?
Mm-hmm. We all know the answer to that. This is a orange autograph, Yamamoto. Sean, you got an orange numbered 18 of 25, Yamamoto. 4 days before Sam, Ken, and me. Yeah, we had a lot of people around then. Another wave, Jalen Davis for the Giants.
Yeah, a lot of Aprils.
Jalen Davis wave. Thanks, Pills. Oh, Muscle Babies, you're also April? Brian, don't pipe up right now. You're supposed to be on my side of this. Trey Mancini, Refractor for Baltimore. HD Ninja. I can't believe ACA didn't guess it's April Fool's Day. McGuire, Refractor for Oakland.
I've got to find one of those original Bash Brothers posters. That's what I want for my birthday.
Okay. Beam Team Walker Bueller.
If I can't get the McGuire Superfractor.
Brian, find that for me and I'll buy it for him.
Find it for myself.
Juan Soto Beam Team. Man, was there anything better than when you were a kid and you got that giant 64 pack or whatever, Crayola? The big square one that opened up and had the little sharpener in the back of it. Oh my goodness. Loved it. Rivera, Refractor for the Yankees. Cranky Yankee. Yeah, with the sharpener. Exactly. Such a big deal. Or the markers, when they started coming out with the markers that had the stamps on them. Love those too. Bogarts Refractor for Boston. Ninja. It doesn't matter, UCCF. It doesn't matter. It was still cool. Is that Cranky Empress of the Zone? True. Castro Refractor for Washington. Brian S. Sure. Lincecum for San Francisco. Tim Refractor. Yikes. That stinks. Shedlong Refractor for Seattle. Unky Hippie.
That's gotta be the worst feeling. Go through an entire race. You're out there just dying for hours. Then you find out your car's disqualified.
Bobichette Beam Team. It's not like the driver has anything to do with that, you know? At least I assume he doesn't.
Minimal. But yeah, not really.
Fractor Alzolay for the Cubs.
So many times you just look at eBay and you're like, what are people actually thinking on some of these prices?
Strasbourg, Empress of the Zone.
It's like, do they really think the card is worth that much, or are they just showing off what they have?
Beam Team Alvarez. Ken Griffey Jr. Refractor for Seattle. Unky Hippie. Beam Team Yelich. Power Zone Frank Thomas. I know. I don't know. Keep thinking I'm missing something, but I'm not. Aguilar Refractor for Miami.
I'm triple checking to see if there's any. Because I swear we used to get one color per box.
Refractor Bobby Bradley for Cleveland. Refractor Hager for Seattle.
Definitely a short one.
Mike Trout Beam Team. Yeah, it does. Dylan Cease autograph for the White Sox. Tim Dylan Cease auto. Oh, that one looks pretty nice. Card setup in general. Refractor Chris Archer for Pittsburgh. Sandoval Refractor for the Angels.
Rosarina in that last one.
I forgot to change the mat for the Pokemon break again tonight.
Jeez.
I had it out and everything.
Somebody's fired.
Yep. Gleyber Torres.
Not sure who, but somebody is.
Somebody. Refractor Voigt for the Yankees. Cranky Yankee. All right, last box of the break and last box of the night.
Give me that bucket over there. I'm going to kick it.
You got a trash can around here? Good boot across the room. Firing Brian.
Yeah, I know, Hippie. I see that stuff all the time.
Polar Refractor for Boston.
Just, I don't get it. What are people thinking? And I get if you want to put it up once and just see if you can get a desperate person to throw money at it, but
Refractor Noisy for Oakland.
You've been relisting the same card for a year. And nobody's biting at that price. What are you doing?
Ken Griffey Jr. Beam Team. Refractor Mazzara for the White Sox. Jamie Jams. Refractor Nolan Arenado. Colorado.
The 1/1 McGuire autograph is up from the set.
I thought you were looking for a poster. How did you get distracted?
So I saw an autograph.
Hmm.
But that price is
Gavin Lux Beam Team. Power Zone Acuna. Another autograph, Tommy Edman.
That jerk.
Cardinals, Tommy Edman, Cool Breeze. Tommy Edman.
Freaking Edman.
Encarnacion for the White Sox. Refractor. Aaron Judge fist bump. What do we got here? An orange 2/25 Power Zone Tatis. So we didn't get a lot of color, it feels like. Or we were missing a color at least. But we got all like insert ones.
And lower number stuff.
Yeah,
too.
low numbered stuff. It's a very weird half case.
At least we got all the autographs.
Yeah. Padres Chatty P. Well, I think, you know. Aaron Judge Power Zone. Grisham Refractor for San Diego.
That's good.
Another autograph.
Bonus auto.
Toro.
Same guy.
Yep. Houston has 2 Toros. Beam Team Harper. Thank you, Nightbot.
That's what it is. He used so little ink, he got to sign 2 of them.
Beam Team Otani. Last pack of the night, guys. Emperors of the Zone, Aaron Nola. So, hit recap for 8-box half case break number 8 of 2020 Top Stadium Club Chrome. We have a Power Zone autograph Acuna numbered 1 of 10. Kind of hard to see that, but it's a 1 of 10 Acuna Power Zone auto. We had an orange to 25 Daza autograph, 4 of 25. Yamamoto orange to 25 autograph. A Tommy Edman auto. Dylan Cease. Tim Lopes. Dom Nunez. Abraham Toro and an Abraham Toro. Some color. We had a red 4 of 5 Ryan O'Hearn. I believe it was 4 of 5. Yep, 4 of 5. A orange Power Zone Tatis 2 of 25. A gold 27 of 50 Power Zone Darryl Strawberry. Diaz gold to 50. And a Beam Team 28 of 50 Ken Griffey Jr. And we had 2 of the Wave Refractors, a Jalen Davis and a Zach Gallen.